Looking for the best gaming keyboards for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 gaming keyboards that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a gaming keyboards that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended gaming keyboards. Number 1 on the list is HyperX Alloy Origins. The HyperX Alloy Origins compact and quality build makes it the best gaming keyboard for mainstream gamers who just want to get down to gaming. It's comfortable, with a premium look and feel from its keys to its frame, and vibrant RGB lighting. If you're familiar with linear switches, which are quick but offer little feedback, you'll feel right at home with this keyboard's red switches. We've also tested the clickier version with HyperX Aqua switches, which are available on Amazon. Opens in new tab, and HyperX's STORE opens in new tab. For over $100, you can find gaming keyboards with more luxuries, such as media control buttons, a USB pass-through port for easily plugging in another accessory, like your best gaming MOUSE, opens in new tab, and more advanced software. But what the Alloy Origins does offer, it executes excellently. Note that HyperX has 2 smaller, cheaper versions of this keyboard, the tankless, no numpad, HyperX Alloy Origins CORE, opens in new tab, and 60% HyperX Alloy Origins 60. Second on the list is Patriot Memory Viper V765. Patriot Memory is better known for its RAM, opens a new tab and storage than its peripherals, but the Viper V765 provides a key feel that's second to none in an attractive, affordable package. It's been a while, but the Patriot Viper V765 is still a good budget option with plenty of functionality. It's one of the rare keyboards to come with Kailbox white switches, which actuate faster than regular blue or green switches thanks to their slightly reduced travel, 3.6mm versus 4mm. The keys are the most responsive we've tested and make one of the most pleasant click sounds you'll find anywhere. If Kailbox white switches aren't enough to convince you the Viper V765 is worth buying, it's got plenty more going for it. This full-sized keyboard has an aluminum surface with tapered edges that give it a futuristic look. The vibrant RGB keys offer dozens of different light combinations, and you don't even need to install the software to access most of the RGB effects. The keyboard also features media keys, which are more often seen on pricier boards, as well as IP56 water and dust resistance. The Viper V765 currently sells for $90, opens in new tab, cheaper than most competitors with similar features. We wish it had taller flip-out feet and a slightly better app, but the V765 is still our favorite budget-friendly gaming keyboard. Number 3 on the list is Asus ROG Strix Flare 2 Animate. The Asus ROG Strix Flare 2 Animate has just about anything you could want from an affordable, pre-built gaming keyboard. It's a little pricey with an MSRP of $219, but it's still cheaper than custom-built enthusiast boards, which it rivals in quality. It's also got a flashy dot matrix LED display, the Animate, a unique piece of bling you won't find on other boards. This keyboard comes with either Cherry's or Asus's own ROG NX red, linear, brown, tactile, or blue, clicky switches. Throw in sound dampening foam and a hot swap PCB, and it pretty much covers all the bases. On the outside, the keyboard features double-shot PBT keycaps and an aluminum plate for durability. You've also got dedicated media keys, including a volume wheel and a genuinely shiny wrist rest, which is a pain to install but won't need to be swapped out for something custom. The only feature this board doesn't nail is its per-key RGB lighting, which requires fiddling with the clunky Asus Aura Creator app. But fiddling is worth the effort. The Animate lighting on this board lets you display custom GIFs and images in its upper right corner and can even integrate with your game to display certain reactions to in-game events. This is a level of functionality not normally seen in keyboard lighting, and when taken in concert with a fair price point and a more than solid build, it doesn't even come across as a gimmick. This is a great plank for gamers, both traditional and innovative. Number 4 on the list is Corsair K70 RGB TKL. The Corsair K70 RGB TKL is expensive but worth it. Its TKL build saves space but feels strong and resistant to damage. Corsair decks out the K70 RGB TKL with dedicated media keys and the ability to change RGB effects without having to download software, though you will need Corsair's IQ app for deeper customization. The K70 RGB TKL features double-shot PBT keycaps that fight off smudges and sweat, so you'll never miss a beat in game, and that are enjoyable for both gaming and typing. The board also comes with bonus cheaper ABS keycaps in the box for more style and fun. One caveat: typing on this board may require an adjustment period for how close the keys are to each other. Interestingly, the K70 RGB TKL has its own multi-threaded sock, which allows it to hit an 8000 Hz polling rate, 8 times the polling rate of many of the other keyboards on this page. But we didn't notice a difference, not even with an AMD Ryzen 5950X CPU. More helpful was the bounty of onboard profiles, up to 50, advanced tournament-style feature set, and responsiveness of this TKL. Number 5 on the list is SteelSeries HyperX Pro TKL Wireless. SteelSeries HyperX Pro TKL Wireless gives you back some desk space as well as wireless freedom, thanks to built-in dual wireless, low-latency 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth 5.0. The 2022 redesign of the HyperX Pro TKL features a simple, elegant chassis with an aluminum alloy top plate, double-shot PBT keycaps, and SteelSeries' newest Omnipoint 2.0 linear optical switches. Optical switches technically have mechanical parts, but they're not the same as mechanical switches. Optical switches are actuated via light, while mechanical switches are actuated via physical force. Although this makes for a less than ideal typing experience, it's good news for gamers. Optical switches are speedier and less prone to failure than their mechanical counterparts. The HyperX Pro TKL Wireless's Omnipoint 2.0 switches offer both adjustable actuation, 37 levels, and dual-action actuation, which lets you assign 2 actions to one key at different actuation levels. The main downside of the HyperX Pro TKL Wireless is its $250 asking price. The keyboard also comes in a wired version for $180, which makes it one of the priciest gaming keyboards on this list. While the HyperX Pro TKL Wireless comes with plenty of premium features and accessories, including a customizable OLED smart screen and a detachable magnetic wrist rest with a soft touch finish, these might not be enough to justify its expense. If you'd like something a little less customizable and you don't mind being tethered, SteelSeries HyperX 9 TKL has an almost identical form factor with hot swappable optical switches and will only set you back $140. Just now is a list of 5 best gaming keyboards that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.